Hi, my name is Tamara Simpson, and I am applying for the UTEACH-RegEd position. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I have been married for 23 years to my high school sweetheart. We have 3 teenagers who keep us busy and always on our toes. I graduated from the University of Central Oklahoma in 2009 with a degree in child development, and I currently operate our family business. I took the grit survey and scored a 3.1. I really had no idea what the grit survey was. It basically just said that my score that I scored higher than 30% of adult Americans. So after doing a little research, I discovered that the grit test is basically a test of perseverance and passion. And I believe that in my case, passion is the driving force in my life. I've always been an individual that genuinely cares for other people. I feel that I love helping people on a daily basis. My degree in child development was specifically chosen for the versatility of jobs related to serving others. Much of my early work after college involved working for nonprofits in the area. The direction of my employment has changed over the years, but my passion is not. I plan on using my passion in helping others at EPIC. I have experienced firsthand the challenges facing public school parents, and I've seen the limitations that public schools have in regards to personalized learning. My hope is that I can use my passion to help others see that school and learning can be different. I also believe I have the perseverance to succeed in the UTEACH program. I consider myself a very hard worker. I've owned and operated our family business since 2011. With that position, I've learned the importance of hard work, finishing projects on time, overcoming challenges that come my way, and not giving up. I plan on using that same perseverance to complete the UTEACH program while teaching my students on my roster. I know that it won't be simple, but I believe that my love for others and my determination will make that successful in my journey. So then our next task to complete was to research 3 different types of instruction. The first type of instruction was data-driven instruction. This method is used to gather information to determine where a student is in their learning process. By gathering and getting this information, educators can determine what the next step of instruction is. In education today, it seems like there's so many times that plans are tailored either to lesson plans or a textbook or curriculum model. However, students have to be looked at for their needs and figure out what is going to be the best mode of instruction for them. In order for an educator to succeed in data-driven instruction, they must collect the data, analyze that data, and come up with a plan of action. After the data is gathered and analyzed, an educator can determine a plan of action that meets the needs of the students in the best possible way. Differentiated instruction was the next mode of instruction that we were told to research. It allows teachers to adjust their curriculum and instruction to maximize the learning for all their students. It's basically a framework that teachers can implement to help their students. It uses a variety of different instructional approaches. Each assignment is altered to meet the needs of individual students. This approach allows ongoing assessments of the student to determine their mastery and readiness to go on to a different concept. They're provided a variety of ways to learn. Every student has a different learning style, and not every student is going to grasp a subject the same way. Teachers can differentiate the instruction through content, student learning style, a product to show their mastery of a skill or a subject, and what learning environment is best going to meet the needs of the students. Students are given more options on how they can learn the material, and they're able to take responsibility for their own learning. Students are generally more engaged when they have differentiated instruction in place. The final mode of instruction was personalized learning. It consists of tailoring students' learnings to their strengths, their needs, and their interests. It allows the students to have a very active part in their education. Students are enabled to choose how they learn, when they learn, where they learn, and what they learn. The flexibility of these plans promotes mastery. Students and teachers work to create customized learning plans and create personalized learning goals that meet the needs of the students. By doing this, students stay more motivated and engaged in their learning. It involves targeted instruction, data-driven decisions, flexible content, and a student's reflection or ownership of that material. It involves the development of customized learning plans that align with the interests and needs of the student. It also uses technology to facilitate this learning. Students are allowed to set their goals and partner with the educators to assist them in projects that best suit their interest and learning styles. Students and teachers then can regularly track progress, set new goals, and address any issues that come up. This level of personalized learning helps foster collaboration, cooperation, communication, and leadership skills. Students are able to master subjects of study at their own pace, at their own learning style, and they're more engaged when they're given opportunities to explore their interest. The use of technology makes personalized learning more tailored. Technology allows students to communicate, give feedback, and tailor lessons to each student. This personalization allows students and teachers to get a better understanding of where the student's at and where they need to go next in their journey. I've really enjoyed getting to walk through this process, and I can't wait to take the next step with EPIC. Thank you so much.